Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to make this floral handbag using pipe cleaners. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. For this, we need pipe cleaners. Here I am taking two pipe cleaners and folding them into half and cutting them using scissors. With two pipe cleaners, we will be having 4 strings after cutting. Now for making petal, we only need 3 strings. So I am keeping one string aside, and now we need to bend the two pipe cleaners and another pipe cleaner we need to insert in between and rotate as shown in the video. If you follow the process properly, this is very easy and simple method of making petals using pipe cleaners. Like this, I have created so many petals using pipe cleaners. Next, we need to take a cardboard and cut into round circles and apply glue and arrange the petals as shown in the video. Here I am using multicolor petals. In this place, you can also use single color and customize accordingly. After arranging all the petals, for center part I am using brown color pipe cleaners. Now you need to rotate the pipe cleaners and stick in the center for the petals. Follow the same process for both. Now both the flowers are ready. Now you have to turn it into back side and repeat the same process using pipe cleaners to cover the cardboard area. If you like this tutorial, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. After covering with pipe cleaners, next we need to take a cardboard and place one pipe cleaner as shown in the video and stick them. After that, cover that cardboard using pipe cleaners. I am here using all the multiple color pipe cleaners. You can use any colors. After covering with the pipe cleaner, at the end again we need to attach another pipe cleaner as a hook, and then we need to close with the pipe cleaners. This process is very simple and easy. Even beginners also can easily make this by following the process. Once it is done, attach everything using glue as shown in the video. After attaching everything, our handbag is ready. Next, I am using 2 jump rings and pearl chain to attach. First, attach the jump ring to the pearl chain, and then this pearl chain we need to attach to the handbag. You can also make this and gift to your loved ones. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. After attaching jump rings, our beautiful floral multicolor handbag is ready. Please don't forget to like the video, and bye bye. See you all in the next video.